One of the most important but dangerous positions in our CHEP facilities is a repair operator. Learning the safety procedures and policies of the repair table is extremely vital to maximize productivity and ensure your safety every day on the table. Before you ever go to the repair table, be sure to put all the required personal protective equipment on. With flying debris all around the area, the protective equipment is important to protect you from injury. All employees must wear tight-fitting safety glasses or goggles, hearing protection, gloves, steel-toed safety shoes, and an apron. Employees should also cover their arms to protect their skin. Before every shift, you should always inspect your hand tools and table setup before you start work. Always be sure to check electrical cords, blades, and guards to ensure that everything is up to spec. When grabbing a pallet, be sure to always use your legs to do the lift or movement. Never have a stiff upright back. Always have gloves on and be careful of split wood when inspecting pallet. If needed, use a pry bar to loosen boards to create a gap for the sawzall off the board. Always swing a hammer in short motions to avoid unnecessary vibration. Make sure your lumbar is positioned to avoid repetitive twisting, and always use a two-handed nail gun to keep your hands and fingers out of the line of fire. When flipping a pallet, use your knees as possible to lift the pallet up. To avoid twisting and using too much force, use the turntables to spin the pallet around to inspect. If you have to remove a T-board, loosening with a pry bar and again with your knees to apply the pressure. Never try to just hammer out a block. Pivot back and forth to detach the board. Do not cut nails before loosening the block. Always cut away from the body with the sawzall. We have seen injuries of people cutting the legs by cutting towards the body. When using a clinch nail gun, be sure to position your body centered to the gun and don't lean over the pallet. Steps for nail gun replacement. Disconnect the airline. Take coil out and place gun on table away from body. Unlock cover and uncoil enough nails to reach the feed line. Close and lock cover. Reconnect airline. Steps for replacing a blade on a sawzall. Unplug the sawzall. Remove old blade by rotating the locking collar counterclockwise. Insert blade into holder and rotate locking collar clockwise. Push and pull blade to ensure it is locked. Plug tool back in. During your shift and after your day is done, clean up the area of all dust and wood debris. Also, never leave your airline connected to the nail gun. CHEP's focus is always on our #1 asset, our employees. Please be sure to do your part in protecting your fellow employees and yourself by following these safety tips and not cutting corners.